famous viral TikTok sensation.
You have it? Yeah. What?
You have the best in the game on it. But now when you see it coming together, the look's just gonna be crazy.
Premium OC, you're watching another episode. It's a beautiful day here in Irvine. We got a B8 Alpina right out front, just got dropped off. We're gonna get this one dialed in. It's actually a pretty expensive car. You know, if you guys are not familiar, you guys probably heard Maybach, but you guys have probably not heard Alpina. That's what that is right there. Search it up if you don't know. Moving into the shop, we have the famous viral TikTok sensation Lamborghini Huracan that got wrecked, fresh out of a shop. It's fully kitted up with a Vorsteiner body kit. It's a beautiful red. There's a video of it online on Instagram, put up on the screen.
The Huracan leaving right now.
Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit!
The owner is now here at Premium OC. We're gonna go ahead and give him a full refreshed look, change up the color of the wrap. We're gonna get new wheels. We're gonna be doing a lot of other things. Stay tuned for this project. This is gonna be one of those projects that's just gonna be pretty crazy. I mean, dude, this car got into a wreck and it's here now. It's a beautiful car, it's insane. It's got this full Vorsteiner kit. That wing is absolutely like, it's bulging out of the vehicle. It's nuts. I've never seen a wing like that actually on a Huracan. Aside from that, shop's kind of moving. It's SEMA week. So we're gonna be leaving Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is Monday, we're here today and tomorrow. We got a Shelby in here doing the full Starlight headliners. You guys can get a glimpse of that right there. We offer that here as well, guys. If you guys are interested in getting some stars on the roof, shooting stars, personalized logos and anything like that, stars on the roof, we offer it. Hit us up for that.
I got this spec out the motherfucking corner. They got it from me, they talking the same. I was gonna get that little bitch a little bonus. She came back through and she ain't fuck me.
We got the M3CS carbon fiber door replacements all the way around. Pretty insane. Nobody would think to put carbon fiber doors on an M3, but we're doing it here because we do everything here.
Go with that. You only got 40 pieces of vinyl.
Who's gonna do this?
They're all individual.
Yeah,
we are.
Whoever did it had a paper to do it, huh?
I did it.
Yeah, that's trash.
Yeah. Dude, you had the best in the game on it.
What?
You had the best in the game on it.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. Perfection, bro.
This is what we got going on with the rims. Obviously chat, right, is not going to be able to grab every little detail, but this is more so of a reference. So we'll do the inner lip. It's actually going to be on the base, the top base.
So those are the rims we're going to go with for sure?
Yeah, I got some pricing for you.
Okay, yeah, let's
actually that we'll discuss as well. The gradient being like halfway down. Right?
Okay.
What if you do circular outside, but the inside is hexagon, almost like an Ellen wrench? You know what I mean?
What's up, Mike? How's it going over here? Bad. Wrapped. Too good. So it makes it really difficult to wrap. Yeah, next project is Jace.
Yeah. Little cold air intake on
it. What's a Honda?
I know, and then that's how you know it's that much easier to fuck up.
We do full kits on Lamborghini. They come with zero instructions, and they're like, "Here, we'll figure it out." Yeah. They're like, "Here's the part." They're like, "The rest is up to you."
Yeah.
Zach, I just met him. I found him on the street. I found him on the street, bro, with a PPF squeegee in his mouth, with like, hey, like willing to work.
Willing to work.
Willing to work for food.
He's doing PPF.
And then now he's going overseas, making vinyls, making PPFs, and now look at him, bro. He's rocking a Vor hat.
Fire, bro.
It's coming together. It's truly coming together. The hood, we went ahead and did that cutout like how we talked about. So boom, new carbon hood, boom. The hood was actually a pretty good fucking condition. When we got it in, it really didn't even need like a crazy polish or anything. Like we just cleaned it up, bro, and it looks solid. But everything's looking fire, bro. Like the wing, dog. Like the wing was like my biggest thing, bro, because we went ahead and like I said, we did this piece silver. and then did the underside green, but I was like, no, what are you doing? I was like, leave the inside black, leave this underside black, and then wrap this in the same color Millennium Jade, and it looks perfect, bro. Like this is fire. What do you think? I kind of make the executive decision.
That's fire.
Got my mind right, and that's why I went right on my money. Yeah, I swear that got me around with that. Tell me I roll like the pound out of onion. I swear that got me right now.
That's crazy, bro. Which is kind of stupid, I thought, too. Like, I thought.
It's that simple, boy. Just look for a trash.
Nice guy here.
Yeah, 2, 3. So I would say the Freshkicks park right here.
No, we only have 3.
So Freshkicks have 1.
Freshkicks or
You think we should put it right here?
I think we only have 1.
Dude, hey, was it last weekend when the fucking tent was flying?
Yeah, oh yeah, like, so like literally look over here.
The tent at Pixar's Espressos was like, there's like, you know, there's like a little tornado storm? Like a little, like, it makes it creates a little, like, it picked up the tent, bro. Like, and Jason was like, it's like that really awkward moment you're trying to catch something, but you're not. Today, Freshkicks is getting unveiled here at Cars and Coffee, San Clemente. We have everybody here. We have our VOR cars, or our premium build, staged up with VOR here at San Clemente Cars and Coffee, as I said again. We got the Porsche 911, we got an M340i, fully decored in VOR, PPF, full build by Premium. This is, you guys know this Porsche, it's the insane Porsche. But today, why we're here is to go ahead and unveil Freshkicks' new build on the 370Z. We're gonna make an announcement, it's gonna be great. I'm gonna try to find Freshkicks, he should be around. We got Brandon in the building. Brandon, come say what up.
What up, y'all? Here at Cars and Coffee. Beautiful Saturday, actually the weekend before SEMA. We are cutting it close right now. A lot of last minute jobs, but we were able to get my boy Corey's whip in. If you guys can guess the color and the model, you can take the car itself. It's yours, it's free. We got the hood right here, colored in VOR PPF. We do a scratch test with this heat gun, show the self-healing properties. And it's a dope weekend. We got a lot of shit going on, a lot of last minute jobs getting cranked out. So it's game time, 4th quarter, Kobe, Hezzy, last minute. Outside of that, that's all I got for y'all.
Sorry, they only saw his nose.
It's a rodent at all. Come on,
It's a ferret.
What was the catch? Chasing him too? 370Z?
Yeah, 370.
Is that dude Freshkicks? Fire. Freshkicks is 370Z.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Did you make the announcement or what?
Start yelling.
Let's start yelling. Yo, we should get the Sprinter van.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Fresh zapatos.
So what?
Zapatos limpios.
Yeah.
Got the black hats on.
Rob you.
Got
My second pair.
Got the black
Hawaiian
Panthers.
shoes right here. Those are the Hawaiian shoes too. Should be those too though. Those are like the Cholo Hawaiians. Yeah.
Those are the
Yeah, those are like.
The Santa Ana ones.
As long as they're laced proper.
Those are North Coast, not South Coast.
You gonna bell it?
I wish you would find your chill, 'cause Lord knows this shit get real. And for this price, you know you kill. Man, it's big.
All right, you guys just witnessed Freshkicks car get unveiled here at Cars and Coffee. Very special event. I want to shout out Freshkicks. I want to shout out Anozatech. Shout out Premium for getting the build done. Yeah, it was an amazing day. It's a gloomy day, which I honestly love. But yeah, VOR had a dope kickoff. We got a nice car here, nice car there. Freshkicks. That's the episode, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, let us know what you guys want to see. And other than that, you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys soon. Boom. Or like shaking ass upside down on the whip.
Bien,